Hey guys, Cal D'Souza here and welcome to Bolly Digitele channel. Annyeonghaseyo. Well, with the introduction that I just gave, I was just trying to say hello in Korean because the video that we're shooting today is about one of the must-watch K-dramas that is Uncontrollably Fond. The drama has 20 episodes of nearly 45 minutes to 1 hour approximately each episode, and it was a hyped drama in 2016, you guys. And the genre is not specific. It has tragedy, it has drama, it has romance, it has melodrama, of course. This was the very first K drama that I had ever watched, and this is how I got into the world of K drama. The main lead roles are played by Kim Woo Bin and Suzy, and you would know Kim Woo Bin if you have watched Hairs. The start of the K drama is with Kim Woo Bin shooting a scene implying that he has become an actor slash singer, and within the very first episode itself, it's quite clear that Kim Woo Bin is suffering from a major disease which has no cure and he would eventually die. Hence, he wants to correct all his past mistakes and regrets and make sure that the people he loves are living a happy life. While he's going through with it, he meets Suzy, the female lead, which he had a past with, you'll get to know in the drama, but because of some mishappening, they went their own ways. When they meet again, they realize that they have changed a lot. Considering everything that they have been through in life, their personality, their way of looking at things have changed. Suzy has become a materialistic person who would do anything for money, and Kim Woo Bin has a lot of regrets but has reached a great heights in his career. Being a K-drama, it of course involves a love triangle, a very bad past which includes a tragedy and a lot of plot twists, which would make sure that you are glued to the drama till the very end. It's one of those dramas which once it ends you go like, why did it end? And it takes weeks to get over it. At least it took weeks for me to get over that drama. For me personally, I fell in love with every actor's acting because it was genuine. Every actor, even the side actor, whether it be the main actor, would portray the emotion very accurately, and you could connect with the actor, the feeling that they're feeling, and even the plot, the scenes, the script was very well written. Not only that, even the songs that the drama has connects you. It's been years since I watched the drama, but I still listen to the songs. One of which I would recommend you to listen to is A Little Braver. You can Google it or go on YouTube and type it. It's in English that too, and wouldn't want a Google translator of course. But it's a very beautiful song, and every other song as well. They are very beautiful and would make you connect with the song. For me, I love the drama because it has that message. Everybody that watches one thing has different output from it. My personal output from the drama was, no matter what happens to you in life, no matter what regrets you have, make sure that you never make your loved ones hurt just because life happened to you. Life will never be fair to you, but it's you who choose to be a certain way, act a certain way, and whatever that way be, make sure that your loved ones don't suffer. And lastly, for all the bad things that you have done in your life, it's gonna come back at you one day or the other in an unexpected way, no matter how well you try to escape it. Okay, for all the K-drama freaks out there, if you haven't heard about this drama and are listening to this for the first time, go and watch it. It's a must watch, and most probably most of them might have watched it. And if you have already, what are your outputs after watching the drama? Did you connect with what I connected to? And do you think that I missed out on anything while I was reviewing it? If yes, if you feel so, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you liked it, share it with your K-drama buddy. Till then, see you soon.